Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. It's Jenny here, and this week we're going to be making nature hats, and all you will need to take part in this activity is some card, some scissors, double-sided sticky tape and some things from nature. Now watch and copy what I'm doing to make your template for your nature hat. Now you're going to add some double-sided sticky tape to your hat. It's important that you don't peel off the bit of plastic until you're ready to add the bits of nature. Now you're going to go and explore for some bits and pieces in your back garden or your local woods for your nature hat. Once you have collected all the bits you would like to use, it's time to decorate. This is my completed hat. I really enjoyed this activity as it kept me busy on my walk, and I got to explore some different areas whilst using my imagination and getting creative. I'd love to see what you guys come up with, so don't forget to share your photos with us in the comments down below and let us know if you enjoyed this activity. See you next time, bye!